Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets hidden in plain sight within company filings. Today we're diving into nVent Electric's latest report, and let's just say their second quarter earnings call might have some interesting fireworks. Stick around because this isn't your average corporate jargon fest. Before we jump in, if you love getting straight answers from these big documents smashed into simple insights, make sure you're subscribed. And hey, we've got a fantastic community over on Discord sharing these insights daily. The link is in the description below. Alright, nVent Electric PLC, they're filing their current report, and the earliest event they're talking about happened on August 1st, 2025. This is a notification that they've released their earnings for the second quarter of 2025 and likely had some discussions about it. Now, the real meat of this report, as always with these types of filings, is in the results of operations and financial condition. On that August 1st date, nVent Electric PLC, or as we'll call them the company, put out a press release. This press release was all about their second quarter earnings for 2025. So we're talking about how they did financially over those 3 months. The press release itself is attached to this filing as Exhibit 99.1, which basically means it's a key document that supports the information here. Think of it as the official announcement they made to the world about their performance. Now, nVent trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker NVT. And when we talk about their company structure, their shares are valued at a nominal amount of $0.01. This is the very basic unit of ownership in the company that you can buy and sell. So the core of this report is highlighting that press release from August 1st. What we typically look for in that press release are the actual numbers, the financial performance. This filing acts as the official alert to the public that these results are out and available. We don't have the detailed financial tables directly embedded here in this specific document that we're looking at, the Form 8K itself. The 8K is more of a notification that a significant event has happened, in this case the release of earnings. The actual detailed numbers are in that referenced press release, Exhibit 99.1. While we don't have the numbers right here, we can infer what they would be talking about. Companies typically report things like revenue, which is the total money they've brought in from sales. They also report earnings per share, which tells you how profitable the company is on a per share basis. Other key metrics often announced include things like net income, which is the profit after all expenses, and sometimes guidance for the future. In the context of a second quarter report, investors and analysts would be scrutinizing these numbers to see if nVent is hitting its targets, if its sales are growing, and if its expenses are under control. A strong earnings report can boost the stock price, while a weak one can cause it to fall. This is why timely and accurate dissemination of this information, as done through this 8K filing and the attached press release, is so crucial for the stock market. Then at the very end, we have the signature. This is where the company officially attests to the accuracy of the information being filed. It's signed by Gary L. Corona, who holds a pretty important position as the Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer. Having the CFO sign off emphasizes the financial nature of this report and its importance. This signature confirms that the company is indeed filing this report and taking responsibility for its content. So, to sum up, this 8K filing from nVent Electric PSC on August 1st primarily serves to announce their second quarter 2025 earnings results through a press release. It's the official signal to the market that financial performance updates are available. While this document itself doesn't contain the detailed financial tables, it points us to where those crucial numbers can be found. Now, looking at nVent Electric's overall picture based on what this filing implies, they seem to be a company that is actively communicating its financial performance to the market, which is a sign of transparency. The fact that they're reporting quarterly results means they are a publicly traded company operating under the scrutiny of regulatory bodies like the SEC, which is what we expect. Based on this filing, the company's direction is centered around its core electrical business, and their regular earnings releases suggest they are focused on growth and profitability. A key risk for any company in this sector would be economic downturns impacting construction and industrial spending, changes in raw material costs and competition. Opportunities might lie in smart building technology, energy efficiency solutions, and expanding into new geographic markets. nVent's regular reporting implies they are trying to manage investor expectations and demonstrate consistency consistent performance. Without the actual numbers from the press release, it's hard to give a definitive opinion on their financial health for the quarter. But the filing itself is standard procedure for a company that values keeping its investors informed. The stock is traded on the New York Stock Exchange, a major indicator of its size and importance in the market. This kind of filing is a necessary piece of the puzzle for anyone investing in or following nVent. Alright, that's our decoder on this nVent electric filing. What's your take on this announcement and what it means for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this breakdown helped you understand what these filings really mean, hit that like button. It really supports the channel, and of course subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate finance. Don't forget to join our Discord community. The link is in the description. It's where we share these insights and much more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next decoding.